Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Excel 2016 video lesson series. So in this video tutorial we will be learning about how you can format your data. So we have already big data set, but I want to add one more column of date. So I am clicking on to this cell and I will go to this insert menu and click on to these insert columns. So now column is added. I will write here date and my column is added now. Now let me enter some date 25th March 2002 and I will press enter key onto this cell, but as you can see it is converted into number. So by default Microsoft Excel has set this column to number format, but I don't want to do that. I want it in date format. So to apply the date format you can use these formatting options. So let me select all the cells on which I want to apply this format button and click on to this drop down arrow and go to more number formats. Here are the many numbering formats. I want to apply date, so I will select this date and select the format in which you want to show your date. For example, there is a DD, MM, YY format, DD, month, YY format and other format as well. So I am selecting these DD, month, YY format and click on to this OK button to apply your changes. So as you can see, my date is converted to my selected format. I want to delete all this date. Now if I will enter 06/03/2001, then it will be automatically converted to my date format. For example 7/12/2008, then actually I had entered wrong date, so 7 December 2008. So this is about formatting date. Now let's see what are the other options which you can apply. So here are the most commonly used options. First one is general, either it is text or either it is number format. Second one is number. If there is any column related to number, then you can apply this format. Here it is quarter column, so I want to apply this number format. So I will go to this number and click on to this. So it is applied, but there is a decimal point in it. So let me remove this decimal point by going into this more number formats and this number. So here it is option decimal places. So select decimal places you want. I want 0 decimal places and I will click on to this OK button. So it is applied. Another one is currency, which we have already set in previous lessons. There is also accounting related formats. It is mostly financial related formats. You can also apply short date, long date, time, percentage to any column, fraction or scientific. So these are some formats which are most commonly used. If you want more formats, then you can go to these more number formats and select whichever you want. Here it is date, time, percentage, fraction, and you can select particular format, scientific, text related, and you can also customize your format. So this is about formatting in Microsoft Excel. Now let me show you one more feature, which is find. If you want to find particular data in your workbook, then you can use this find option. So click on to this find and it will ask what you want to find. So here it is my previous search. I want to find April and it will also ask in which direction you want to go. So I want to find in upper direction. It will take this cell as a reference, so I am clicking on to this find button, and that's it. Your cell pointer will be on your result. So here it is my April month. So this is about formatting your numbers and finding options in Microsoft Excel 2016. Thank you very much.